There are so many different ideas out there about what the life of a dentist looks like. Hi, my name is Dr. Charlie Cage, and welcome to my channel where I talk about everything dentistry. Oftentimes I'm asked the question if I'm a doctor, and while the answer to that question is yes, I do understand that there's a misunderstanding as to what the definition of a doctor is. To the everyday person, when they say doctor, they actually mean physician or medical doctor. There are so many different types of doctors out there. Chiropractors are doctors, there are doctors of physical therapy, and there are even doctors who are not part of the medical field, such as doctors of philosophy. And in my case, I'm a doctor of dental surgery. So when I'm asked if I'm a doctor, my response is usually, I'm a dentist. Because quite honestly, if I'm ever in a situation where there's a medical emergency and somebody yells, is there a doctor here? I definitely do not want to be called on. I would prefer if a physician, a nurse, even a vet answer that call before I do. But if there's no one else, I definitely think that my medical training would be beneficial. So yes, dentists are doctors, and there are two different types: doctors of dental surgery and doctor of medicine in dentistry. So as far as the perception of a life of a dentist, the fantasy is that we're just rolling in money, we have fancy cars, big houses, we set our own hours, we have our own business, no one tells us what to do, and on top of that, we get to help people get out of pain and transform lives through the power of creating beautiful smiles. On the other hand, you have the nightmare of not being able to pay off the massive debt that was accumulated during dental school. The fear of getting a bad review online, or being sued, experiencing burnout or hearing loss or neck pain. The reality is the profession is what you make it. If you're looking for a career where you can continue to learn new things, you can master certain areas or do a little bit of everything, you like working with your hands and you like helping people, well, dentistry is awesome. I've heard so many different reasons why someone should become a dentist. I've heard, well, you'd be respected in the community, or that you can set your own hours. But quite honestly, you can do that with a lot of different careers. Dentistry is pretty awesome, but you really have to love the art. With this passion for dentistry, that can really help to carry you through the years. You can even choose to specialize or collaborate with other dentists or specialties. And you can even help mold the future of dentistry by becoming an educator. Happy choosing.